Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I wanted to do a coffee bar tour because I've done one. Actually, that was like my first coffee video ever, a coffee bar tour. I think that's what it was. And since then, I remodeled or redid my little area and I did a video about that, but I'm sure you guys haven't really seen that video. So I wanted to redo a coffee bar tour. That's pretty much what I'm getting at. I feel like I always go on a tangent. So that's today's video. Thank you guys for watching and let's get started. All right, so up above is my yucca. I used to have her down in my countertop up here, right over there, but my cat was attracted to her and so I had to move her. Even though he still jumps up there every so often, but it's less. So she's up there. Her name is Emerson. I name all my plants. So yeah, her name is Emerson. And then so these are all the cups in this first shelf. I do have a cups video. So if you guys want to see in depth like what cups I have, I'll link that video as well. And then I have this little book called The Curious Barista Guide to Coffee. It's a pretty interesting book. And then just a little fake plant that I have from Target. My mom got me this little cat. So I have it right there. And then just some mugs and those glass cups. This bottom shelf has my sugar. This I got from Target. I will link it down in the description for those of you guys that are interested. And this is how I store my pods now. So if you remember from my first coffee bar setup, I had these little drawers, and although they worked perfectly fine, I just wanted something more minimalistic and more earthy, if that makes sense. So that's where I have my pods. This is the original line, and then this is the Vertuo line. Every so often I switch out whatever is in there. And then normally I have more cups on this shelf, but I definitely have to do some dishes. So again, just showing you guys the 3 shelves. All right, moving on to where the brewing happens. I have 2 machines. This is the Nespresso Vertuo Plus in the color white because, I mean, I love white. And then this is the Mini Essenza in the color white as well. This is a really nice machine for those of you guys that literally just like espresso and making lattes, not really interested in cups of coffee, drip coffee, anything like that. The Mini Essenza then is all you need. And they do have more pod styles than the Vertuo as far as like espresso goes. So there's a little mini review. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me for a review on the Mini Essenza. It is coming. And then these were actually a Christmas gift from my cousins. They're from Monin's website. I know a couple of you guys were asking me like where to get them. If you go to the Monin website under gifts, you'll find them there. And they have different ones. I think this is like the coffee house choices. I do have 3 different containers here for my syrups. These are syrups that I use most of the time. This was for my husband, but he hasn't really been asking for a pumpkin, but that's a pumpkin syrup, French vanilla, and then salted caramel in the back. Those containers are so pretty. I was gonna get more, but I just figured let's just keep it simple, and 3 is all I have. So those are my most used syrups. And then here I have a little like spoon container from Target. These spoons are from Bed Bath & Beyond. I don't know if they still have them though. I've had them for years. I'll see if I can link them. If not, Nespresso has a few sets, different like sizes. I'm sure their smallest one is about that size too. I don't know why this is here. This is probably here because of a reel that I was doing. And then I ended up buying a handheld frother and I actually enjoy it. I've been enjoying oat milk, and for some reason the Nespresso, here, let me get it. For some reason the Aeroccino froths cold oat milk different than that one. If you use the handheld one, I noticed that it makes it a lot thicker. It almost seems like you're doing like that cold foam that Starbucks does. When I do it here, it's very liquidy. So I don't know, I think it's just because the whisk, you get more control and you can actually like whisk it different. So there's that. I thought I was being silly just buying this, but I was just curious and I actually ended up liking it. And it's very inexpensive. I think it was like 20 bucks. Sometimes I use this area like when I'm recording videos and recipes. So I do tend to like just leave a lot of these things here. I don't usually leave these out. I'm gonna show you where I store them. But right now this is the praline, cinnamon bun, and then French vanilla from Monin. Like I said, I am gonna do a syrups video, so stay tuned for that. And then this is a very pretty shaker that one of my subscribers recommended, and I bought it as soon as I saw it, so thank you for that. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty, and it is glass. If you guys saw my video where I'm talking about the shakers, I said maybe they don't have a glass one, and she's like, yeah, they do, and you need to get one. So cute. All right, so here's what's new. I don't think I've ever shown this to you guys. This is where I keep a lot of my overstock. So I'm gonna open up this drawer. So, okay. I keep my glass straws in here. I haven't really opened these. And then a lot of the shorter straws are here. I do have longer ones that don't fit in that little container, so I just throw them here. And then all of these pods are just kind of overstock of containers that I already opened that didn't quite fit on the bowls. And then this is a little like measuring cup for shots. I don't really use that one. It came with one of the shakers, but yeah, that's where I keep a lot of my coffee pods. I don't think I've ever shown you guys this little area. This is where I keep some of the cups that are either seasonal or just not deemed pretty enough for the shelves. I have the shakers, some water bottles, the milk frothing pitcher, my manuals, some pumps. And then down here I have more of those little pour spouts, which are amazing, by the way, if you guys want to use those instead of the pumps. I do have Solelio there, double espresso Chiaro. I think that's Bianco Leggero down there. A lot of the decaf coffees. Sometimes at night I like to drink decaf because coffee is just cozy to me. So I do decaf at night. And then here are where I keep all of my syrups. So those are all the syrups that I currently own, as well as a few sauces. There's more sauces in the back. I'll show ya. So yeah, those are all the sauces that I have. And yeah, I don't think I've shown you guys this little area, but that's where I keep a lot of my syrups, sauces, coffee pods, and then just extra mugs and water bottles. Also, I thought I'd show you 2 new cups that I'm adding to my collection. I just got this in the mail and I literally washed it and now I'm drinking my iced coffee. That little bear, I think I've shown it in a few videos, but it's like a little silicone mold. I'll link it down. He's so cute. And I've shared it mainly on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me, you guys can follow me on Instagram at _AlexMojica. But this cup is so pretty. It's from Anthropology. And I thought it'd be nice to add a little bit of color to this little area. This is the other one that I got. They're so nice. So cute. They're big enough for iced coffee. And actually this is a coffee pod. I used the caramel cookie. I know that my little hyper chiller thing, I said I probably won't use it, but I actually do use it. And the caramel cookie pod is less watered down and I like it. So the cup actually fit the whole caramel cookie pod and a little bit of oat milk and then that little bear. But these cups are so cute. I thought I'd share with you all of these. I might put them up here somewhere. I don't know, I'm running out of space. But yeah, 2 new cups, Anthropology. I'll make sure to link them. Okay, I think that is it as far as like a little tour of everything. I'm trying to think if I'm forgetting something, but I don't think so. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If anything that you guys saw, you guys liked, and you don't see it linked on my Amazon or description box, let me know and I'll try to look for it. But most of the things that are on here, I'm gonna try to link for you guys. And then like as far as like the actual wooden shelves and this cabinet, I'll link that video up above where I redid like the whole thing. And I think I even linked the shelves. The shelves are just like a stair step that we found at Home Depot. My husband just cut it and like stained it. So there's that, but that's all on that video, the makeover video. But yeah, I think that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.